Utility trucks as far as the eye can see. I'm Channing Frampton off of Bonita Beach Road at the old dog racing track, where there are dozens of utility trucks and bucket trucks parked here getting ready to respond after Hurricane Milton moves through. I just spoke with FPL and they told me that they've got 14,500 men and women staged around the state ready to go to respond to the storm. They also are coming from 37 different states as far away as California to come here to our state to be ready to restore the power here. This is going to be an all-out effort. This is just the parking area for all of these trucks getting ready to respond to put the power back on in your neighborhood.